This is Ian. I've been an independent publisher and professional seller on Amazon for years. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a new print-on-demand paperback book in Ingram Lightning Source. If this helps, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe. Let's get started. I'm going to try to keep it quick. You can hear my voice is really shot. I'm getting over a cold. But basically, I have a new book title. I'm ready to enter it into Ingram system, into Lightning Source, so it will be basically available as a print-on-demand title in various marketplaces. Not just Amazon, but also other marketplaces, and also for libraries and other types of retailers to order. So this is very important. One good thing about the new Ingram Lightning Source paperback print-on-demand title setup is it's really easy to use now. It's actually been streamlined since the last time I uploaded a new title, which was about 2 years ago. So let's get to it. Go to log into Lightning Source, click on Titles. And by the way, you should have all of your metadata ready to go and PDFs and book files and stuff like that. I'm assuming that's the case. You can see the books I've already published as well as some new titles that are kind of in process. It says processing here. I'm actually publishing the second volume of the Social Security in 30 minutes. So I have paperback files ready to go. Click on Add Title. Paperback or hardcover. Yes, all my files are ready. And then it says just confirm that you have the print and print jacket or the cover file in the interior, which I do. And then it asks, do you want to print, distribute, and sell books or just print books? So I want to print, distribute, and sell books. All right. So this is where we're going to do some copying and pasting. You're going to have to bear with me here, because there's a lot of text on the page. And basically what I have is I have a text file and I have all the data I need to copy and paste into. I've used a spreadsheet in the past, but there's some limitations with that. I'm not going to get into it here. Other people that have like an Onyx software, but regardless of how you do it, just make sure you have all your data lined up. So here's the title, and just paste it right in. Language, English, print ISBN. So make sure you have the right ISBN here. You can see I have different ISBNs for hardcover and for the paperback, and I also have an EPUB ISBN. I'm just going to use the paperback ISBN. I've already set that up in Bowker in my identifiers, so I have reserved ISBNs for my company. So that's all set, and this is it, ending in 326. I put it in there. I don't use a publisher reference number. This is important. Publishing rights, I own all copyright or hold necessary publishing rights. And then, or this is a public domain work. So what they're trying to do is they want to screen out people who are just republishing other public domain works or works that are easy to get. So I own the copyright and hold all necessary rights. Then they give you this kind of this quiz to pass, basically asking if you're just like republishing summary books, if you're using basically other copyrighted or trademarked information without permission, all these other things. I follow the rules for publishing, and when it comes to copyright and trademark, and my title does not include any of the above. If you select yes, my title includes any one or many of the above, you'll basically be stopped in your tracks. Mine does not have that. Then they also asked, this is a new one, has artificial intelligence been used in the creation of the work? Amazon does this too, by the way. And the answer is no. This is actually a real book written by a real human author, a very talented author, edited by very talented people, laid out by very talented graphic designers. So this is a real book, not an artificial intelligence generated garbage. If it says show more fields to improve book optimization, check that off, and then you can add other information. One of them is book subtitle. I don't understand why that's not included up here, like at the top of the page where it asks for the title, but whatever. So I do have a book subtitle that's separate from the title, and here it is right here. So I just pasted that in. Series name, series number, edition name, edition number. These fields may apply to some publishers, but not everybody. In my case, it's the only thing I'm going to activate here is the edition number. This is the second edition of this book. Also, it's the volume 2 of the book, so it's volume 2, second edition of this particular book. Okay, author. So the author's name is really short, Emily Pogue. And then show more fields to improve book optimization. If you see this, basically make it visible, and then you can see some other fields that you can enter here. And so if your author is an experienced author, like he or she has published other works before, then I would enter the prior work here, like paste it in, just the name, the title of the book. Maybe you could put the year in parentheses. This will show up somewhere in Ingram's database. So usually, for instance, if a retailer or a library is trying to access information about the book, for instance, via Ingram iPage, they may be able to see this information. So put it in here if you have it, and I do. Author bio, here's the bio. Let's copy that and paste that right in. Okay, there's no other contributors. So categorize your title, select imprint. Whatever you do here, it should match exactly what you have in Bowker. That's the ISBN database of record for ISBNs in the United States. In my case, it's in 30 Minutes Guides. This also matches what's on Amazon. Subjects, they don't do BISACs here, but I know what I'm looking for. So Medicaid is one of them. Add subjects. You can also do there's other things you can choose. You know what? I think I'm just going to choose the Medicaid for now. I think they did have a Social Security. Let me see what that says. No, that's not what I want. Nope. So maybe what I'll do here is personal finance.